Hello everyone, today we are going to make honey garlic braised beef ribs. So here I have about 5 pounds of long beef ribs, and everything you see here today is Canadian, made in Canada. And first I'm going to prepare the wrap. I have about 2 spoons of salt, a little bit of black pepper. I have here onion powder and garlic powder. So let me mix. This has multiple functions, and I'm going to use pressure cooking first. So let's beautifully lay down all these ribs. So here's the cover. And as I said, unfortunately I started late, so I don't have a lot of time. I'm going to use high, and about maybe 50 minutes will be enough. I'm going to make a homemade honey garlic sauce with the next ingredients. I have fresh ginger, garlic, honey, fish sauce, remind you it's 50 minutes. I'm going to remove this liquid and just keep a little bit. I'm going to put rack. Crisp function. Maybe just 5 minutes, and then I'll turn it. They may be not looking like a winner of, I can assure you they are delicious. Baby, I like you, ribs, and of course my wonderful Ninja Foodi. Well, where are my babies? You can see it's very soft. It's just getting off the bone easily.